Hello, it's Terry again with Etched Glass Doors, Florida, FL. A big question that we get a lot of times is how to take care of them and clean them. They're very easy. It's in the glass. It is not going to come off. It's indelible. It's blasted onto there, and that makes it should make it pain-free for you. So anyway, our etching is always on the outside so that you don't have the glare of the glass to contend with. And what I'm going to show you is how we wet it down, wash it, and you're going to notice it changing from this bright frosted look to a kind of like almost a clearish kind of look, and then back. And I think that's why people get scared. They're afraid it's going to come off, but it comes right back, and you're going to see that right now. Okay, so we're going to wet it. You should do that. Rinse it off. I've already put Dawn detergent on my scrub brush. Scrub it. It has a much darker look right now. This has been cleaned a whole bunch of times. And then we're going to just rinse it down. Then I'm going to use a squeegee and squeegee it off. And you're going to see that as the wind blows and as it dries, within about 10 minutes, it'll be back to being frosted looking again. Okay, so I'll get back with you in 10 more minutes. Well, it's only been about 5 minutes and the wind's blowing and it is warm, so it dries a lot faster right now. You'll notice, see how it's changing? That's what it does. That's normal. Okay, so don't be afraid. Even if you're inside your house and you're washing your etched glass, you can use a soft sponge and Dawn detergent and wipe it down, wipe off, rinse off the soap, and then use Windex to get any kind of water spots off. Or if it's just not that dirty, just use Windex. This is an outside project, so usually you have to rinse it down. Use your car brush, which is what that is. It's very soft. It won't scratch the glass. That's real important. And just go from there. It's simple. It's a very easy product to take care of. So you'll see right here, I'll end up getting water spots, and that's where I would just use a little Windex and use a regular towel, not a paper towel, because paper towels will put a little bit of lint on the glass, and you have to just knock the lint off. The lint will come straight off. But if you use a towel, like a terry cloth towel, it won't do that. Okay, so use a clean towel, Windex or alcohol, and that's it. It's easy. I wouldn't get Windex on your door handle though, because it'll corrode it. That's what a lot of people do wrong. Okay, so this is it. This is the easy thing. Check out our website, etchedglassdoorsfl.com. We have a lot of designs, and we make new ones up all the time, and there's things that aren't on there. So not everything's on their website. Okay, thank you. I'll work with you online.